Good morning everybody, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas. As you can tell, I'm getting older, I'm aging because I just won't stay up. I out and about and found a stonelet. It's broken though. This will be a sign for you. You will find a baby wrapped in cloths and, turn over the broken bits, lying in a manger. Luke 2:12. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go find this baby in a manger. Oh, no manger in there. Nope, no manger. Coming up to Claremont Pier. All Father Christmas and that on the balcony. Lots of people around, all going down to the beach. There's no Christmas swim, it's cancelled. So, yeah, it's been cancelled this year. No Christmas swim. There's a couple of dogs in Christmas coats over there. Lovely sky, it's windy as buggery. People have been out swimming, but I can't see a manger. Come on, you little dog. Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Where's my boy? There he is, it's Wurzel. Ah, run. Morning, Alison. Right.
It's cold.
Yeah, I know. We've got to find his little baby lying in a manger. Come on, give us a call, give us a call, give us a call. Ah. Run! Ha. Well, I'm never going to find a baby in a manger now. I can't see. There, I found myself a bit of Christmas Tea glass for Alison. There you go. There you go.
Oh, thank you very much.
There you go. Put the tissue in your pocket. There could be a manger in one of these, but they're all locked. Oh, this one's got no lock. Is there a manger in here? Oh no, can't open it. I'm just seeing if there's a maybe in a manger. I haven't found it yet. Dogs are kept on a lead, no cycling, no babies in mangers, vehicles are prohibited. Alison, I haven't seen a baby in a manger. I haven't found a baby in a manger.
There is no baby in a manger.
You are?
And just because
what did you say? You mumbled, what did you say?
It's because there is no baby in a manger.
What? But it was in the Bible. Are you saying that's all lies?
Stopped on flipping Lowestoft seafront.
Are you saying it's lies?
Just because somebody writes it on a stone doesn't mean it's going to be true.
But it said Luke 2:12, that's the Bible. You saying the Bible is full of lies, a pack of lies and nonsense?
I'm saying that it's not going to be in a beach hut in Lowestoft.
It's in the bin. People in Lowestoft, they throw babies in bins. Lied to me! They lied to me! Christmas is ruined! Apart from the turkey. Best meal of the year.